Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a BTS Cokodive unboxing haul. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I am pretty active on there. My Twitter is a BTS stan twit, so if you guys want to follow me on there, feel free to do so. Just kind of random. I honestly wasn't expecting this package because it had been over 2 months since I ordered this stuff and there was literally no sign of the stuff getting shipped at all. So I asked for a refund and customer service gave me a refund and they were like, yep, the shipment has been retracted from the facility. That's basically it. They apologized, said that like, sorry that we disappointed you and like we took so long. Literally 2 weeks later, the shipment shows up at my door. There's literally no notification that I had shipped, nothing. So I emailed them again. I felt really bad. Like I felt bad because it was like the stuff was quite expensive. So I just really, I don't know, I'm not a scammer. So I just emailed them being like, yeah, so I got my shipment, like, can I pay for it basically? So got all of that sorted out. It was a pleasant surprise, but I was like, I felt bad because I asked for a refund like 2 weeks ago. But anyway, and let's just go ahead and get started. So this is my Cokodive package. I'm just covering up my address. I wasn't expecting this package. Kind of opened it already to see what it was, but I haven't actually taken anything out of the original packaging. So I ordered a BTS mystery box with the random version. I ordered a BTS x FILA t-shirt and I also ordered a pair of the FILA shoes. I ordered 3 things off of Cokodive. First, I'm going to start with the FILA shoes. This is what the box looks like. I ordered the Oakmont Trail something and that's the information on like the size and stuff. So this is what the shoe looks like. They are just beige shoes with a little bit of like gray suede and they have a super chunky sole to them. That's why I love them and I'm really obsessed with beige shoes right now. So that's what they look like, but I think these are super duper cute. They look really small, but I do have small feet, so I mean, and I'm pretty sure Tay was wearing the green versions of this shoe on the website. So I'll insert a picture somewhere to show you. And then I'll like link them down below as well, the exact shoe if they still have them. As for the t-shirts, this is the t-shirt that I ordered. I ordered one of the white shirts and I ordered a size small. So this is what the shirt looks like on the front. It has a small design just on the front of it, just on the left-hand side. And then on the back, it has the Born to Shine slogan. It has all of their zodiac signs. I got this in white instead of the black because I wear too much black. So they run quite large, or it appears to run quite large. So if you're ordering it, I would size down. I know I ordered a small, but I think I'm not sure if I ordered the smallest size available, but yeah. So now onto the mystery box. This was what I was most excited about when I put in my order for Cokodive. I decided to pick the random box. I wanted to have a mix of things from different members and not just like a specific member. So this is what the top of the box looks like. It's just purple. It says Bangtan and then it says unbox your idol. Cokodive. The first thing I noticed when I opened it up is that there is a Jungkook photo card at the top of the box here. He looks so handsome in this picture. The wet hair, beautiful. Just gonna put that back in the box here. So first off, there's a little sheet and it has a quote from Junie. No matter who you are, where you're from, your skin color, your gender identity, just speak yourself. I got these BT21 Line Friends clear stickers, the cookie ones. That's what the back looks like. Next, I have a Hobie photo card. This is the Hobie photo card that I got. Put him back in his little sleeve. Next, I got this Koya thing. I don't know what this is yet, but this is super cute. I think Koya and RJ are my BT21 biases. I think Koya is absolutely adorable. Let's see. This is just like a little container of some sort. Oh, cute! They're little band-aid. They're little. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They're little Koya band-aids. That's freaking adorable. Stop. That's so freaking cute. I love that. So yes, I got Koya band-aids. Next, I got a Jimin little key strap, I think. I love this. It's a like iridescent clear plasticky material, and it just says BTS Jimin, and then it has Bak Jimin on the back, and it clips like this, so you can put like your keys and stuff on that. I love it. Definitely going to be using that for sure. And then I got some postcards, photo postcard things. I got a Jimin one. Oh, this is like a little photo stand thing. Jimin with the blue hair. And as you can see on the back, you can fold this up to make it stand. So yeah. And then I got a Namjoon postcard. Next, I got a Hobie button. Ooh, and then I got this cookie baby pouch. This is so stinking adorable. What the heck? Okay, so I don't know what you're supposed to put in here, but it's freaking cute as heck. Look at that. I love baby cookies, so cute. I don't know what this is. It just is this BT21 Line Friends box. I don't want to ruin the box though. Wait, is this a towel? Oh my god, wait. I just got a Tata towel. That's so nice. The quality is actually quite nice. So it just has Tata on the bottom, and then it says Tata here. I don't know if you can see it that well. I love that. That's awesome. I wasn't expecting that at all. Ooh, and then I got the VT X BTS. I guess these are the photo cards for that. So I got the photo card set. Got Jin. JK. Jimin. Hobie. Tae. Oops. June. And Yoongi. Okay, and then I got a poster. I got one of the Love Yourself posters. I do not have this one. So that's super nice. And then the last thing that I got was a necklace or a bracelet. Oh no, it's a bracelet. J-Hope bracelet. So yeah, that was everything in my Cokodive mystery box. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below a purple heart if you got to the end of this video. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.